Karman Line is located at 100 km above the sea level. It is an imaginary line that demarcates the Earth atmosphere from space. You might have studied various layers of atmosphere, from troposphere to ionosphere. Okay. Below ionosphere, we have discussed that the outer space is there. Space starts below, beyond atmosphere, not below, beyond atmosphere, right? So, an imaginary axis or line separating the atmosphere with the outer space is known as Karman line. So, Karman line is the line which divides an imaginary line which divides the layers of atmosphere and the space. Okay. So it is located at 100 km. Why 100 km? Because our atmosphere is only till 100 km. After that, it is outer space. Okay. Where the gases are initially negligible, then only it is expected that vacuum is there, right? So after the 100 km, we can see the Karman line. Okay. It was established in 1960s by a record-keeping body called the Federation Aeronautic International. Okay. It was named after aerospace pioneer Theodore von Kármán. Anything traveling above the Karman line need a propulsion system that doesn't rely on the lift generated by Earth's atmosphere. The air is simply too thin that high up. Okay. As I said, beyond the 100 km, that is beyond the Karman line. Karman line acts as a separation between the atmosphere where the gases are present, and we also discussed that as the increase distance from the Earth's surface increases, the gases concentration decreases. So the atmospheric thrust also decreases, right? So below the Karman line, if something needs to be traveled, then additional propulsion should be provided. Okay. So that is the important aspect. In other words, Karman line is where the physical laws governing craft's ability to fly shift. Okay, just remember that Karman line is the division between the atmosphere and the outer space. And beyond that, if we need to move something, we need additional propulsion because the gases will be absent or negligible there, and it won't. The atmospheric thrust won't be occurring there. Okay. Now, this is regarding this. We discussed, we know the different layers of atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and ionosphere here. Karman line is here. Thermosphere is in the outer layer. It is believed that beyond this, the outer space starts. Space begins at the Karman line, which roughly 100 km or 62 miles from the Earth's surface. Okay. So, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere, space. It believed that the space starts outside the Karman layer. Okay.